Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can start talking in Hilokal language exchange app. So here can see is the home page of Hilokal, but if I want to start talking, then how can I talk? So you can see it's called a room or table. You have to enter any room, or you can create your own table or room. So I'm just going to enter any room, wait a second please. Just let me choose a group. Okay, I'm just going to enter this one. Education is power. So second. So now, so it's the room. Okay, but you can see the three people. Three people are listening, and if you want to talk, then you have to click here. Simply click ask to talk. You ask the host to seat the table. Okay, you request it, and that's what. So you can maybe there is some problem in audio, but you can do this thing. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's no man, thank you for watching.